Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you cannot open your App Store in iPhone 15. And to do this, let's try to open the App Store, and right here it actually works, but if we try to download any app by clicking on Get, it doesn't, and now the entire app is broken. And to fix this, we'll need to click on our settings, then find the general options. There should be under this gear icon, and then date and time. Here, make sure that set automatically is enabled, and we can go back to App Store, retry, and try to get the same app. And I need to sign in, but as you can see, the app works fine now. We can browse through it and there's no errors anymore. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.